Hello, my name is Frank Cassisi, and I have been a personal injury attorney for over 25 years. I'm also the founding partner of Cassisi&Cassisi PC, located in Mineola, New York. Today, I would like to discuss a topic that's very important to me: education law. The past couple of months, I have been working on a couple of cases that involve students who have been put in harm's way by their teachers and school administrators. Teachers and school administrators are supposed to look out for their students' best interest, and they have done the exact opposite. As a result, students have been emotionally and physically harmed. I am also a parent, and for me to be informed that children are being placed in harm's way is a situation that no parent wants to hear about. There are already laws that are put in place that are supposed to prevent such abuses from ever happening, and yet they very frequently do. We have been representing several parents and children who have been bullied by teachers and whose special disabilities have not been recognized, nor have they been provided with the proper accommodations. Very often the parent will say, well, it's my child's fault because he has a behavioral problem. But the school is responsible. They have a legal obligation to look out for these children, not to humiliate them, and absolutely not to exploit them. Children with many different types of classifications and disabilities need to be treated, and the education institution has to accommodate their special needs. Any child with epilepsy will be assisted and cared for when a seizure breaks out. A child with a behavioral problem also needs to be handled correctly and properly when an outbreak occurs. For a teacher or faculty member to bully a student with a disability or antagonize them because they don't know how to handle a situation is incorrect and is hurting the child's educational process. I have taken a stand and made education law a focus for my law firm. One of my goals is to make sure that education law is taken seriously and that those children with behavioral disorders are accommodated by the school district. School districts have an affirmative obligation to look for these types of behavioral disorders and set up a special individualized education plan that accommodates this child's needs. My advice to parents is to talk to your children about what is going on in the school classroom and if they are having any difficulties learning or if a teacher is misbehaving, and not making special accommodations for whatever their needs are. Know your rights. If your child needs a specialized education plan, call me, Frank Cassisi, at 516-294-5050.